Are you trying to decide which Sony lens to use in your photography or videography? Hello guys, it's me Rapi Sam Steel. In today's vlog, we will do a side-by-side specs comparison and test the two best Sony zoom lens in the market. We have the new Sony 28-70 compared with the Sony 24-70 both G Master and 24-70 version 2. So on today's vlog again, I will help you to decide which lens is the best for you. So without further ado guys, but again before anything else, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start. So guys, let's start with the release date and the price as of today for this both lens. Again, the Sony 24-70 f2.8 G Master 2 released last April 2022 with the price as of today of $2,300 US dollar. While the new Sony 28-70 f2 G Master released last December of 2024 with a price of $2,900 US dollar. Again guys, I based the price of one of the famous shop in the US. So this price guys is today's vlog price. So again, we don't know, maybe one day it will go higher or it will go lower. So it depends guys. Again, it depends also in your local market. So let's proceed guys to the lenses. Again, both lenses, this is a standard zoom lens. So both lenses is perfect for portrait, travel, street, wedding, walk around, vlogging, and landscape. So the difference between these two lens guys is first the aperture. Yes guys, the aperture. The new one 28-70 is f2 from 28mm up to 70mm is constant f2, while the 24-70 is 2.8. 24 is the if you go with 24 wide, it's 2.8. If you zoom to 70mm is also 2.8. So that's the difference guys. Again, you have f2 for your 28-70 and f2.8 for the 24-70. The 24-70 is more wider. So again, it's 4mm more wider than the 28-70 and also lighter because it's only 695 grams compare for 695 and this is 918 grams. So if you compare the size and the weight, this is more lighter, the 24-70 G Master 2. And also the height, goes up to 120 millimeter, while 140 for the 28-70. Also the filter thread, you have 82 size of the 24-70 while 86 for the new 28-70. So it's more harder to find a filter for the 86 millimeter compared for 82 from 24-70. There's a lot of 82 size filter in the market. While 86, there is a few because this is not the normal size. Most of the highest size of the lens is 82. So now there's an 86. So there is a filter for sure, but it's not same with the 82, which is like in general. And okay, both lenses have AF and MF switch. Also aperture D-click switch, breathing correction, autofocus, aperturing, weather shield lens, both no image stabilization, and both external zoom, not inner zoom, both external zoom. So that's the comparison between these two best zoom lens from Sony. So imagine guys, this is a 28-70 and this is more heavy and it's more bigger compared for 24-70 G Master 2. So yeah, that's the difference between these two lens. Let's try to test guys. I will put in the Sony FX3 and let's take some sample video using these two lens side by side. And also we will take some sample photos using both this camera. So this is the Sony 24-70mm f2.8 G Master 2 for autofocus. This is the Sony 28-70 f2 with 28mm in the autofocus mode. So guys, we test and check already the two best zoom lens from the Sony. Again, the 24-70 G Master 2 and the Sony 28-70 f2 G Master. So yan guys. Again, I'll leave you to decide which is the best lens for you. Do you think if 24-70 is more than enough, or the new 28-70 with the f2 it's more better for your needs? So again, I'll leave it to you guys. So again, I'll leave you to decide which lens is the best for you. The 24-70 G Master 2 or the 28-70 G Master. So again, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of both lens, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check the lens, guys, we have demo unit. You can come visit us here in Megastore Showroom. Check the lens, guys, 24-70 G Master 2 and the Sony 28-70 f2. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.